I'd now like to move on to the next threat, web application attacks. Financial institutions have many endpoints that connect them to outside of their organization. These endpoints may provide services to their customers via web applications or their work-from-home employees via virtual private networks. In addition to phishing and social engineering attacks, adversaries target these web applications and exploit the vulnerabilities found in these services. Local file inclusion, SQL injection, and cross-site scripting are the most common web application attacks targeting financial services. According to the State of the Internet Security Report for 2021, Akamai observed 6.3 billion web attacks worldwide in 2020. 12% are in the financial services industry alone. The US-based investment banking giant Morgan Stanley was hit with SQL injection attacks in July of 2021. The attack led to a data leak of personal